If you want to link PayPal to your Payoneer account, unfortunately, you cannot directly link PayPal to Payoneer, but you can transfer the funds between them by using the Payoneer receiving account. So first thing what we're going to do is go to your Payoneer to get your Payoneer account details that you want to link to PayPal. So log into Payoneer, and then once you're on Payoneer, just click on Get Paid on your left side menu here, and then select receiving account. So from there, choose the account that you want to link. So just click on it and open up the account details. If you don't have an account, you can simply add one. Click on the add account option here, and then simply add a request for a receiving account. Once you get that, so now click on the account and then open up the account details. Once you get that, so now we're going to add this to our PayPal. So go to your PayPal. So go to your PayPal and log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account, so click on the wallet option here. And then once you're on the wallet, click on this link bank account option. Click on link bank account. And then now what we're going to do is you're going to go and select this link US bank account option here. So click on US bank account, and now plug in the details of your Payoneer receiving account that you just got it from your Payoneer. So plug in all those details, okay, and then click on link your bank account to confirm the process. So once you have linked it, now you can transfer funds. So once you're done with that, once you've connected, now you can simply go to your wallet section, and then if you have any funds to transfer anything, you can simply choose to transfer it and select the Payoneer bank account as the receiving bank account. So you will be like transferring funds to your Payoneer bank account. So this is the only way how you can link it.